Oh, so you can do this. Bam, bam. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to clean this bedroom and refresh it, make my bed, make it look nice and tidy. And I've refreshed my bedroom. I will link a video. I will show you how it was and how I've changed it to this beautiful airy color. I've gone for that light gray on this wall, and my bed is same if you watch my old videos, and just change the curtains. And so let's get into this video. See how, I don't think you can see this, but how dusty the top of my bed is. But trust me guys, I clean it every week, but I don't know where I get the dust from. So guys, I'm going to put this. I hope you can see it nicely. It says you got this. So sometimes you need to remind yourself you got it. So now guys, I'm gonna put my blanket on it to give it a bit depth. So Thank you very much for watching. This is the end of the video. So this is how I transform my room. Thank you. If you're new here, you can hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share and like the video. God bless you all. Bye.